authorize this order. Welcome to reaching Amazon. How may I help you?
Hi, I just got a call saying that someone's trying to authorize $900 on my account.
Yes, sir. So that's why I called you. Because somebody was using your account and they have ordered an iPhone 11 from your Amazon account. So have you authorized it?
No, I haven't.
Have you shared your Amazon password with anyone else?
No, I have not.
But sir, I can see there the 3% they are using your account at this time. They are accessed with your account and they will do the suspicious activity regularly.
So 3 persons is actually using my account right now?
Yes sir, the 3% they are using your account at this time. They are accessed with your account.
So what can I do to get them off of it?
Yeah, so that's why I called you for the confirmation if you are the right person who are using your account. So that's why I just removed the both of the person who are using your account without your permission. I will just provide you the security right now. That is our job.
Alright, thank you so much.
The many device. So sir, I will just remove the person who are using your account.
Yes, can you do that for me?
Yeah, so sir, can you tell me that first of all I connect you to our secure server with your phone right now, and after that I will just remove the person. So can you tell me that what's the make of your phone, because many devices are connected with this account. So can you tell me that which phone you are using at this time? It's the iPhone or it's Android?
I'm using an iPhone.
So sir, just put my call on speaker and I will guide you how you connect to our secure server.
Okay,
simply put my call on speaker.
Okay, no problem.
Simply put my call on. Yeah, just put my call on speaker and just open your app store.
Open my app store. Okay, I'm doing that now.
Yeah, you are doing right now.
Yes.
And I will just remove the person who are using your account. Okay.
Okay, what do I look for in my app store though?
Yeah, just open your app store. You are now on your app store.
Yes, I'm in my app store.
Yeah, at the right bottom side, can you see a magnifying glass?
Yes.
Just tap on it and right there the security software name AnyDisk.
AnyDisk?
Yeah, AnyDisk.
Okay, I see it.
Yeah, ANYDESK, AnyDisk.
And it's called remote.
Software icon within red.
And it's called AnyDisk remote or AnyDisk mobile. Which one do I choose?
Sir, which one you have? See a red color with a white crystal on it. A design of the security software, a logo of the security software is within red color with a square within white diamond on it.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yes, I see it.
Just tap on it and install the security. Yeah. With this help of the security software, I will remove the person. So after that, nobody will use your account. Okay?
Okay, it's downloading right now as you speak.
Yeah. If the install complete, then you tell me. I am online.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, just opened it.
Okay.
Have you opened it?
Yes, I did.
So, what is the 9-digit numerical code you see on your screen?
6.
It's 686. Yeah.
562.
Sorry, from again you tell me the number.
687.
6. Yeah.
562.
Yeah.
055.
Okay, so now you see a request from Amazon. There's request. Can you see the 2 boxes? I am aware of all. It is a request confirmation request to the right person. Can you see the boxes? Just hit on the both boxes and hit on accept. I am aware of all that risk. It is because this call has been recorded right now. So just click both of the boxes and hit on accept.
And then what's gonna happen afterwards though?
Sir, it is a security software. This is the request from Amazon. With the help of the request, you will connect to our Amazon secure server.
Let me ask this.
You see a notification of.
So Amazon wants to take control over my cell phone?
Yes, sir. There is a request, and there is a security software. With the help of the security software, you see the person who are using your account. So I will show you who are using your account right now.
And
so
that's
just click both of the boxes.
And that's
and hit on accept. Yeah.
And that's by you guys taking control over my phone, so you can see my banking information,
yes,
etc. So when I log in, you guys can see my banking information. You cannot scam me, sir.
You don't,
sir. I work for Amazon. I work for Amazon. We do not do this for Amazon.
Sir, you don't open your bank account. You just open when you accept the request.
I work for Amazon. I work for Amazon in customer service, and we never did this for a customer before. You're actually calling an Amazon sales rep right now.
Sir, can I transfer the call to our supervisor?
Sure, you can. Sure, you can.
Yeah, okay. Just be online. I will transfer the call to our supervisor.
At this point right now, right? Amazon is trying to take control over my cell phone.
Yeah.
Amazon is trying to take control over my cell phone.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Just be online. I will. Just be online.
Thanks for being online. I really appreciate your calm and patience. This side, Amanja. How are you doing today?
Hi, Amanja. How you doing?
Okay, sir. As I see, sir, there is a charge of $999.
Amanja. Why are you trying to scam my call, my Amazon account?
So who told you, sir?
It's not told me. This is what I'm seeing. Amazon would not call me to ask me to give them remote access to my cell phone. Why y'all try to scam?
Sir,
Amazon do not call anyone. Amazon would not call to ask. Listen, you guys cannot convince me. I'm not an old person or someone that's stupid. Okay? You're calling from India right now. I'm tracing your call. You cannot try to scam me.
Right.
I've been on this call for 8 minutes. You can't scam me, bro. All right? Try with someone else and take my call off your call list. And I'm being nice about it.
No.
Come on for my phone.
Why, scamming real. Everybody have to try to make money.
So I'm going to show you the program, right?
Yeah, the app.
Program at work, no. There's a program at work that we got involved with where we're getting a lot of work coming about these kind of calls from Amazon.
One thing we know, don't try to get scammed. One of them always call and say, oh, this and that and this and that. But it's just a joke, yo. Sometimes I wonder how people get scammed. I always wonder how people get scammed, but why? Yeah, man, I say you talk to my supervisor, but they serious still, you know?
Because the things that reach the point of getting me because with all I get the app on the
up on everything.
So them reach none of them have tried to convince me no to get me more access to my cell phone all the way from India, from Asia, because that's what the call pin up on.
Yo, don't try to get scammed, that's all I can tell you. Man, them the most serious man. I have to try to make a money. I have to always try to make a money.
Shit. My video something wine taste tonight.
I don't know where the camera in. I know some water.
Oh, look at that. It's not bougie like that. I'm gonna take, you know what, let me start taking that. Right, brilliant.
Yeah?
Can I find something quick?
The beat?
No, but.
Yeah, I can find something. Yeah.
Music video. Which parties? With Downtown, West Palm?
From Madison.
Oh, if you guys want to, at 7 p.m. we're going to be at Club Rain to finish the video.
Where? The Club Rain?
7 p.m. at Club Rain.
Shoot us the info. You need any lunches? About 85.
So I'm just come out around camera store a while ago. I can't believe it. So they have the A7C, which I wanted to get, but they don't have the silver version. So I paid way more for the silver version. You win some, you lose some. Bro, look on the line, fam. Look at the line. Well, Neil, you ready? That was fast.
Yeah. Can I get a napkin?
Fast.
Sir.
What you say? What you say?
Once up my chest.
This should be a Jamaican. This will be me bringing back this to Jamaica like I want to bring KC come from.
So by John Cat, no?
Like I got, can I eat it before? Which all you had, I eat it.
Man, hey, I'm coming like mommy, brother. I left my mommy go to the store one time, right, with my card, and tell her herself to go, she got order Chick-fil-A me outside, wait, come back to mommy boy, big grass bag, but me order something a burger, nugget, milkshake, blood kid.
Yeah.
So I'm listening when I come from Jamaica now. Can we get some for you?
Yeah, man, send down some for Pedro. When you have what time I flight?
Will you pick me up?
No, you have to bring back a Chick-fil-A for me.
So, you may ask if you pick me up.
Say you have to bring back a Chick-fil-A for me.
Say I'm going to name my friend come.
Yeah, that's the thing.
So,
You sure you want to trust me with it?
But by the airport, you don't have a Chick-fil-A at airport.
I don't think so. No?
What time of the flight?
After 4.
Oh, so you come back at the same time.
Or am I going to reach back earlier?
Billion, you vaccinated yet?
Police, buddy, yeah.
You not get vaccinated?
That's a lot, man.
You guys vaccinated, or you don't have to get it? Right?
Man, them give me. Huh?
So you have to put it wrong.
No man, I pull on people. It's up to them, they don't want to do it.
Who this is good?
So you want
Liquid
to
salty.
eat my out? So she go do, she go tell us, say, you hear me? If we go to one tell her, say, we buy the fish and give. She go want. What's your work here? You're sexy.